What's up there, everyone? Pardon my disastrous hair. I am preparing for a storm chase today. It's a slight risk day here in southern Wisconsin, Illinois. It's only a slight risk, but things are looking kind of interesting for today. Environment's already pretty warm and humid. We got a low pressure system that'll be coming in. And it looks like some supercells could form and ride that warm front, and could have a decent potential to rotate. So it's not like a widespread event by any means, but it does conditionally look like a pretty significant day. And so I haven't officially started chasing yet, but I've been out doing errands. I'm getting ready to gas up the car. I just got a nice little magnetic mount that I'm still trying to adjust for my phone. But we're hoping for some action today. Like I said, it's kind of a conditional threat. The sun's been out between all the clouds, which is really nice. So I think some pretty decent amount of instability is going to be able to develop across southern Wisconsin today. So we'll see what happens. Well, here we are. We're in Kirkland, Illinois. There's some severe weather happening to the south of us right now, but we're seeing some towers blow up a little bit further northwest that might make it into this area in an hour or so. But we're gonna get food. This is her first storm chase. And so we're gonna see what happens. But for now, we're gonna get food. Well, we're in Kirkland. Now we're in Rockford. We're following a storm, kind of, that doesn't look too impressive on the radar. But we are kind of looking at this nice little cloud formation. So far, these storms are not very impressive, but we're hoping that they'll do something, because they're pretty much hugging the warm front right now. I made the unfortunate mistake of going into Rockford, so now I'm going to try to get out of here so I can get closer to the storm. All right, let's get moving. holes.
Successfully paired. Yeah. Also trying to get a good shot of this. Looking for any signs of rotation.